Post.
Post.
A post is the content you share on your Instagram feed, such as photos or videos.
Example: I posted a new picture on Instagram.
Story.
Story.
A story is a temporary post that disappears after 24 hours.
She shared a funny story today.
Like. To like means to show that you enjoy a post by tapping the heart icon.
I liked your new post.
Comment.
Comment.
A comment is a message or reaction you leave under someone's post.
I left a comment on her photo.
Follow.
Follow.
To follow someone means to subscribe to their posts and updates.
I follow many travel accounts on Instagram.
Direct message.
Direct message.
A direct message or DM is a private message sent between users.
She sent me a DM to ask about the event.
Tag.
Tag.
To tag someone means to mention or include them in your post.
I tagged you in my latest post.
Hashtag.
Hashtag.
A hashtag helps categorize posts and makes them easier to find by others.
Use the hashtag travel to reach more people.
Explore page.
Explore page.
The Explore page shows posts and stories that Instagram thinks you might like based on your activity.
I found a great new account on the Explore page.
IGTV.
IGTV.
IGTV allows users to upload longer videos compared to regular posts.
She uploaded a cooking video on IGTV.
Reels.
Reels.
Reels are short, entertaining videos that users can create and share.
She posted a funny dance reel yesterday.
Influencer.
Influencer.
An influencer is someone who has the power to influence others through their social media presence.
Many brands collaborate with influencers for promotions.
Archive.
Archive.
To archive a post means to hide it from your profile without deleting it.
I archived some old photos from my profile.
Highlight.
Highlight.
A highlight allows you to keep selected stories on your profile permanently.
I added my trip to the highlights.
Bio.
Bio.
The bio is a short description in your profile that tells others about you or your business.
I updated my bio with a link to my blog.
Mention.
Mention.
To mention someone means to tag them in a post or story so they receive a notification.
I mentioned you in my story about the event.
Mute.
Mute.
To mute someone means to stop seeing their posts or stories without unfollowing them.
I muted his posts because he shares too many.